What up, YouTube? I told them I'm back vlogging every day, bro. I'm not playing no more. See if I can go on. I ain't trying to be in my video, but yeah, back vlogging. I'm finna go grab some eats real quick. You know what I'm saying? Back the hell up. All up in my damn video. Shit, I thought we was going to tropical smoothie real quick. Then we finna hit up. Let's go. If y'all don't go to the gym, go to the gym, bro. You know what I'm saying? Get your little exercise on. Beautiful day out here. We getting Chick-fil-A, right? So we get a smoothie from Tropical Smoothie, and then we going to Chick-fil-A. Good eats. Then we finna watch Cobra Kai, you know what I'm saying?
And then make some monies.
On the road to 1,000 subs.
And then we gotta make some monies.
She fucking ugly, but yeah. By the way, I like the Minnesota Vikings. Yep.
A lot of editing shit today, right?
Hey. I'm saying. I'm back outside with the camera, man. Back outside. That's what I said. There's my piece. That's what you get for hitting me with that bag, nigga.
What?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's why.
Y'all comment some pranks y'all want me to do and stuff, man. I need some more videos. I'm gonna hit y'all back up in a minute. I'm about to get something to eat. You already know I had to get me a s'mores cookie, snickerdoodle cookie. You know what I'm saying? And y'all see the blimey shit right there? Blimey. Strawberries, pineapple, orange juice, and lime. So I should go get that shit because fuck, boy, oh my gosh. What you get?
I got island green.
She got a island green, spinach, kale, mango, pineapple, and bananas, and oh, you trying to be healthy, huh? You trying to be healthy, huh? Look at my blimey. That hoe look good. Boy, look at this dude.
Damn.
Look at this dude.
Playing the basketball there, I ain't going. This nigga got me on the camera.
Yes, sir. Told him vlogging. Say what's up. This dude. Pop outside, bro.
I mean, I'm up for work, so
You up
Come
early?
to the gym. Come to the gym.
yeah, I'm up early. I'm gonna go to the gym.
I'm about to say what's up with Boo outside, bro. Come outside, bro.
What's up with the Bulls? I just got paid. What's up?
Well,
We just got busy.
shit. Well, I gotta do that a little bit more today because I got some stuff coming up. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, the shade.
This dude.
Okay,
Look at this nigga bust that. This is what I be getting right here. I get a #1. I eat it with no pickles because I don't like pickles, but I like the taste of the juice on the sandwich. I get it with cheese, small, medium fry, and a large water. You know what I'm saying? I don't like the pickles. See all the co-workers working and shit. But yeah. Just secured my eats, bruh. Food look good as hell. Look at it. Them fries are busting. We got 2 drinks right there. Show the drinks, nigga.
Waters. H2O.
Man. This is what we got. Look. Yeah. We're about to throw down. Then after we eat. Alright, y'all. So before I hit the gym, I'm about to go to Family Dollar real quick. We gotta get some stuff out of there. You know I'm cheap, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get me some deodorant and some hand soap to wash my hands and shit, you know what I'm saying? She's stinking.
Let me vlog too.
She ugly.
There's a car behind us. Oh, maybe.
But anyway, yeah. Gotta grab a couple things out of here real quick. You know. You gotta keep watching my shorts. I'm about to start doing regular videos now. I need to get a camera in there. Question. This nigga. But yeah. Stinking here, doesn't it?
Get some stuffy stuff for, for what?
hair and I need some deodorant. I need some things of that nature.
Wait. Well, this is the soap stuff.
The deodorant.
Do my hair.
This the deodorant I get right here. This one. I'm gonna get like 4 of them shits. I'm gonna get like 3. And them shit's $1.50, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just got my deodorant from Family Dollar. Now I'm finna head to Walmart, get some soap and some hair product. Well, I'm going to Coco Beauty Supply to get the hair product. I was supposed to get the soap from out of Family Dollar, but they ain't had the soap I wanted, so I'm gonna just head on to Walmart real quick. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, what does light look good?
I'll get y'all back up when I get to the hair store.
She did my braids. Y'all need y'all hair done, go to her. I don't know her information, so I'm gonna just put her stuff in the video. But yeah, finna head to Walmart real quick.
Hair store, just go to her because
I'm
gonna just use the donation money for my Walmart stuff.
And then we're going to Coco. So it's hot. What's going on, YouTube? Just got back from the gym. Look at that muscle. Yeah. Oh, look at this dude. She did her hair. Look at him. Again, I say, you need your hair done, go to her, man. Goldilocks. Golden locks. I said Goldilocks. Hey, but that concludes today's video. I ain't feel like recording in Coco Beauty or in Walmart. It was just too much ADHD going on and stuff, man. Shucks, be a lot going on out here on this damn planet. Shucks, but like, comment, subscribe on this video, man. You know what I'm saying? Back with the vlogging.
Oh.
Alright. Team Rockstar J, I'm on the road to 1,000 subs. I'm out this jank game. Bye.